If you've ever opened Photoshop and thought, wait, where did that tool go? You're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find missing tools in Photoshop using 3 simple methods. We'll cover hidden nested menus, the extra tools drawer, and how to fully reset your toolbar back to the default layout. This is a super quick fix, but it can save you a ton of frustration when your workspace gets rearranged or a tool seems to disappear. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, let's talk about hidden nested menus. Photoshop keeps related tools grouped together to make the toolbar look cleaner, which means some tools are hidden behind others. If you see a tiny triangle in the bottom right corner of a tool icon on the toolbar, that tells you there's more hiding inside that tool group. To reveal it, click and hold on the tool icon or right-click it. A flyout menu will appear, showing all of the tools in that group. For example, if you can't find the paint bucket tool, don't panic. It's usually hiding under the gradient tool. Just click and hold the gradient tool and you'll see the paint bucket tool in the menu. From there, you can select it directly and start using it right away. This same method works for lots of group tools in Photoshop, so if something looks missing, always check for that small triangle first. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is the extra tools drawer. If a tool is not nested in a group and still seems missing from your toolbar, Photoshop may have moved it into the extra tools area. To find this, look at the bottom of your left toolbar and locate the 3 dots icon. This is where Photoshop stores tools that are hidden from the main toolbar layout. Click and hold or right-click the 3 dots icon. A pop-up menu labeled Extra Tools will appear, and this list shows every tool that is currently hidden from your main toolbar. If you only need to use a tool temporarily, just click it from this list and it will open for you. If you want to bring it back into your main toolbar permanently, simply click and drag the tool out of the drawer and drop it into the toolbar layout wherever you want it to live. This is really useful if you customized your workspace in the past and forgot where certain tools went. Instead of searching endlessly through menus, the Extra Tools drawer gives you a complete list of hidden tools in one place. And if your toolbar is really messy or you just want everything back the way Photoshop originally set it up, the third method is to reset the toolbar layout. This is the fastest way to restore missing tools when things have gotten out of control. Again, click and hold the 3 dots icon at the bottom of your toolbar, then choose Edit Toolbar from the pop-up menu. A large configuration window will open, showing your current toolbar setup. On the right-hand side of that window, click Restore Defaults. This instantly resets your toolbar back to the factory default configuration. After that, click Done and your toolbar will snap back into its original layout with every default tool restored to the proper position. So if tools were moved, hidden, or accidentally removed from your main toolbar, this will bring them right back. So to recap, if you're trying to find missing tools in Photoshop, first check the hidden nested menus by looking for the triangle on grouped icons. Then check the Extra Tools drawer by clicking the 3 dots at the bottom of the toolbar. And if needed, reset everything using Edit Toolbar and Restore Defaults. These 3 methods should help you get back any tool you thought was gone and keep your Photoshop workflow moving smoothly. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Photoshop troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.